तथा च अपरः भक्तः शारदा किमुक्तवती तद्वदिष्यति। एतादृशं बहु सम्यक् भवति। तदा आदौ गृहिण्योः सम्भाषणम्। तदा किं कुर्वन्तु, यदा भवन्तः एकं वाक्यं पठिष्यन्ति, तदा तत्र तस्य स्वमातृभाषया अर्थं वदन्तु। अस्तु, स्वमातृभाषया उत वा आङ्ग्लमध्ये अर्थं वदन्तु। यावत् किमपि भवन्तः अवगतवन्तः तावत् भवन्तः वक्तुं शक्नुवन्ति। अस्तु, यत् किम् अवगतवन्तः, एतस्य वाक्यस्य अर्थः किम् अस्ति, तत् स्वमातृभाषया उत वा आङ्ग्लभाषया वक्तुं शक्नुवन्ति। अस्तु, आम्, तदा इदानीम् आदौ गौराङ्ग प्रभु तथा च ऋषिकुमार प्रभु भवन्तौ तत्र सम्भाषणं कर्तुं शक्नुवन्ति। Rishikumal Prabhuji could tell the sentences for Malti, and Gaurang Prabhu could tell the sentences for Shah.
Yes. Sure. I can speak directly in English, or say the Sanskrit and then say in English.
No, Prabhu. You can first tell that sentence and quickly just paraphrase in English.
Okay. Then. Sharade, kim karoti bhavati? Oh Sharda, what are you doing?
What?
Aho Malati, agachatu, upivisatu, kusalini kim? Oh Malati, sit, come and sit. Are you okay?
Sarvam kushalam. Yes, all's well. Bhavati swakaryam karotu. You please continue with what you're doing. I think that's for the paraphrasing. Please do what you're doing. Aham tatraiva antaha agachami. I am come in the meantime. I will come inside. I will come there itself.
Mama paka na samaptah adha bhojanatham bandavaha agachanti atah vishesha pakah. My cooking is not done. Today my relatives comes for meals eating, so I'm cooking special items.
Tarhi kim kim karoti? What all are you making in it?
Alukeno kvathitam karomi, usmandena tamanam karomi.
Temanam karomi.
Temanam karomi. Alukena kvathitam karomi. I am boiling the potatoes like.
You are sorry.
I am boiling the potatoes.
Yes. And Kushmanda, Kushmanda.
Pumpkin. Ash garden.
Okay. This. And tamenam means?
Temanam ityukte tatra tasya nishkashanam तथा च वयं peeling कुर्मः, peeling.
Okay.
तेन एतादृशं भवति। किमपि पाकविशेषः भवति तत्र तेमनम् इत्युक्ते किमपि पाकविशेषः। यदा पाकनक्रिया भवति, पचनक्रिया भवति, तस्मिन् मध्ये एव किमपि कार्यं भवति।
तेमनम कुष्माण्डेन तेमनम करोमि. I am peeling the pumpkins.
Bahumarichikaah santi khalu. I don't know what is bahumarichika.
Bahu ityukte many, and marichika ityukte mirchi, chili.
Oh, acha. So are you using lot of chilies in this?
No.
Marichikya kim karoti? What are you going to do with the chilies? What are you doing with the chilies?
Lagu marichika katuhu, maha marichikaya barjam karomi.
Hmm.
Little chilies are very chili and Mahamarichikaya Bhajanam. So
Not bhajanam. I know you're a devotee. Bharjam.
Bharjam. Mahamarichikaya Bharjam karomi.
हाँ
Mahamar
वो
एक एक्सक्यूज मी, हेलो, ये
yes
पहले एक ये था बाल बाल के आलुकेन कथितम करोति, दिस वाज ट्रांसलेटेड एज इज बॉइलिंग पोटैटोस. बॉइलिंग कहाँ है इसके अंदर?
इसमें
आलुकेन कथितम करोति, कथितम मींस व्हाट?
Kvatitam usually it will mean like the boiling of the potatoes only. Usually
कथितम मींस
it's
बॉइलिंग.
yeah.
अच्छा,
Usually it is in the process of that. How much I can recall now that should be the meaning of this Kvatitam. But
अच्छा.
once again I have to check it. These words are not used much, so I will have to check
लुक्स
once.
लाइक क्वेश्चन मार्क दो.
Kvatitam.
What are you going to do with? As if she's thinking,
Yeah.
what I will
Kvatitam.
do with potatoes.
Kvatitam ityukte boiling. Yes, I confirmed it.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Mahamarichikaya Bharjam karomi. I am frying many chilies.
Yeah, Mahamarichika, you know, the very big chilies.
Okay.
Such a very shastric name for chili. Mahamarichika.
Basically, frying. Bharjam ityukte to fry Mahamarichika.
So your burji and all that come from that, huh? From this word.
Yeah. Yes. Shallow frying and all these things.
Fry vyanjanam karoti. What all items are you making?
Vindyanakeh vyanjanam karomi. Urvarukena kim karomi iti chintayami. I am cooking little finger.
No, Vindinikai. So Vindinikai, it's like just vegetables only. Okay, and Urvaruka means cucumber. Urvaruka.
Oh.
Cucumber.
Urvarukena kim karomi iti chintayami. I am doubtful about cucumber.
I'm
What
not
to-
doubtful. Urvarakena kim karoviti chintayami.
She's thinking.
I'm thinking what to do with cucumber.
Yes.
Urvarikam grunjanakam cha yojayitva kosham bharim karotu bhoho. So I'm planning to you can mix this urvarikam, that is this cucumber with garlic.
Carrot.
Carrot, sorry. Carrot. With carrot. Gajar is grijanam. Okay. With carrot, and I'm planning to make vegetable preparation. Kosham bharim is what? Some sabji.
Salad. Kosambari salad.
Okay. Kosham bharim karotu boho. Bahut swadishtam bhavati. It will be very tasty.
तथैव करोमि पायसमपि करोमि पर्पटान अपि वर्जयामि मम पतिः बहु इच्छति. So I will do like that. Payasamapi karomi.
Payasam.
Kheer.
Kheer. I will make payasam. Parpatana.
Papad.
And I will fry papad also. My husband likes it very much.
Ahamapi kinchit sahayam karomi. I will also I will also help you a bit.
मास्तु भो भवती उपविशतु मया सह संभाषणं करोतु अहं सर्वं करोमि मास्तु भो बहुत
Not
बहुत
required.
अच्छा
मास्तु भो
अच्छा अच्छा नॉट रिक्वायर्ड भवती उपविशतु आप कृपया आप बैठिए मया सह संभाषणं करोतु मेरे साथ कुछ बात कीजिए अहं सर्वं करोमि आई विल डू ऑल
yes
Tarhi aham sarvesham ruchim pashyami. Then I will taste everything. Sarvam bhavati karotu. You do everything. Yourself, your kind self may do everything. Bhavati.
yes सर्वं भवति करोतु उत्तमं भो very nice भो पितादृशि
I think the test is if you do it, if you make this in English and make us speak in Sanskrit. I think that's the real test.
yeah that is actually initially bro more and more practice will be done then gradually I will be given in English and then
Yes.
from English you have to tell me in English yeah so
Yes,
that
yes,
practice
yes.
but initially we have to be very much familiar Prabhu with the words and with the sentences
Yes, yes. Look at the way I struggled with some of these words. I have absolutely no idea. Thank you.
अस्तु इदानीं राधाकृष्णप्रभु वदिष्यति तथा च सत्यसङ्कल्पप्रभु वदिष्यति अस्तु सत्यसङ्कल्पप्रभु तथा च राधाकृष्णप्रभु शीला ये यानि वाक्यानि वदति तानि वाक्यानि सः वदिष्यति तथा च सत्यसङ्कल्पप्रभु गीता यानि वाक्यानि उक्तवती तानि वाक्यानि सत्यसङ्कल्पप्रभु वदिष्यन्ति अस्तु राधाकृष्ण प्रभु आरंभं करोतु
अस्ति किं गृहे
शीला वदति हरिः ओम गीते अस्ति किं गृहे
अस्ति किं गृहे in which house the Gita is going on something
come again
हरिः ओम गीते अस्ति किं गृहे
हरि ओम गीते okay अस्ति किं गृहे are you there in the house
okay yeah
so we are calling gite because
Okay.
Gita is a sambodhanam
Okay.
Gite so hari om gite asti kim grihe like that when we enter someone's house then we are calling out
I was
Yes,
thinking in whose house today Gita class is there something I was thinking standard ISKCON's this one okay
Gita is the name of a person
okay yeah
Satya Sankalp Gita
ओह शीले किं भो दर्शनेमेव दुर्लभम कुत्र गतवती आसीत् अब मैं हिंदी में बोलूंगा
yes
हे शीले हिंदी हे शीला आजकल के भो
दर्शनेमेव दुर्लभम
कहाँ गई थी कुत्र गतवती
No.
पुत्र गतवती आसीत् कहाँ चली गई थी आसीत् मतलब क्या होता है आसीत् थी चली गई थी
थी
पुत्र गतवती आसीत् आप कहाँ चली गई थी किम भोः दर्शनमेव दुर्लभम आपका दर्शन ही बहुत दुर्लभ हो गया है अभी वैसे यस आगे राधा कृष्ण को सीता
शिला कुत्रापि न गता अहं गृहे एव आसाम् पच्च दर्शदिनोभ्यः बहूनि कार्याणि भवति अपि न आगतवती खलु कुत्रापि न गता अहं गृहे
कुत्रापि न गता अहं व्हाट इज द मीनिंग
I am not there in the house something
कुत्रापि न गता अहम, I have not gone anywhere.
Okay. Kutra. What kutrapi? Okay, kutrapi. Naga.
Kutrapi means anywhere.
Okay, okay.
Anywhere.
Kutrapi na gata maya. I did not go anywhere. Gruhe eva
Awesome.
asam. Gruhe eva. Oh, in the house only was there something?
Yes,
And
very
sitting
nice.
sitting in the house. Asam
I
means
was in.
yeah.
Yes.
Pachat darshanobhyaha. Darsh.
Panchadasha.
Panchadasha for 5 days. Uh,
No,
15,
huh?
Panchadasha.
5 और 10.
Bahu,
Panchadasha. Pancha means two. Pancha means 5.
okay.
And Dasha means
Yeah.
Dasha.
Vis- uh,
Dasha means 10.
Panchadasha for 15. Okay. For 15 days. Bahuni karyani. I have so many works. Something like that.
Yeah, I have so many words for 15 days.
Okay. I have busy for 15 days. Bhavati api na agatavati kalu. No. No.
Bhavati api na.
You are addressing Bhavati some, right?
Yeah, Bhavati means you.
Okay.
Api na agatavati khalu. You also did not come, no? You also
Okay.
did not. Like,
Okay. Okay.
Bhavati api na agatavati khalu.
Bhavati addressing the female, right? Bhavati addressing female, isn't it? Yeah. Bhavati.
Yes, Bhavati.
Apna agavati. Kalu means Prabhu?
Khalu means, how we tell in English? Khalu, just 1 second. Khalu will tell in English. It's an expression actually.
Okay.
Idam shariram khalu karma sadhanam.
Yeah. But in English, how can we tell to like the literal word for that? Khalu in English.
Na agavati.
Indeed. Or
Even
Did you happen to come? Did you happen to come?
no.
did you happen
Bhavati
to
api na kha.
No.
You also did not. Khalu means also.
Also means api.
Api is
Also means api. Api ityukte also. Khalu means certainly.
Certainly.
Khalu means certainly.
Oh, sarvam khalvidam brahma.
Sarvam khalu. Certainly everything is from. Yes. So certain. So bhavati api na agatavati khalu. Certainly you also did not come. Like that. Anantaram. Sankalpatu. Satya Sankalpatu.
अहं मम भगिनी परिवारः मम पुत्री च तिरुपतिं गतवन्तः आस्म। तत्र अस्माकं गृहस्य पूजा आसीत्। तत्र तु जनानां सम्मर्दः एव आसीत्। तत्सर्वं समाप्य ह्यः एव आगतः। मैं, मेरी बहन के परिवार वाले, मेरी पुत्री, हम लोग सब तिरुपति गए हुए थे। वहां हमारे घर की पूजा थी। तत्र तु जनानां सम्मर्द एव आसीत्। ये समझ नहीं आया प्रभु। सम्मर्द क्या?
Sammarda ityukte, usually we have to understand the contextual meaning here. Sammarda has many meanings. It is usually sometimes means pressure. Sammarda is pressure also. Tatra asmakam grihasya puja asit. Tatra tu jananam sammardaha eva asit. Tat sarvam samapya hyaha eva agataha. Okay. Mama bhagini parivarah mama putri च तिरुपतिं गतवन्तः आस्म तत्र अस्माकं गृहस्य पूजा आसीत् तत्र तु जनानां सम्मर्दः एव आसीत् ओके सम्मर्दः इत्युक्ते क्या बोलते भीड़ भीड़ बोलते ना सो मच ऑफ भीड़ समझते ना भीड़
हाँ, वहाँ लोगों की बहुत भीड़ थी।
यस यस।
सर्वं
तो तत्र तो
समाप्य एव आगत, वो सब समाप्त करके कल ही हम लोग आए।
तभी आए। यस। राधा कृष्ण को शीला।
मम गृहे पुरत्नानि
पुरातनानि
पुरातनानि कानि कानिचित् कानिचित् भग्नानि नष्टानि च वस्तूनि आसन्, तानि विक्रीय अन्यानि नूतनानि वस्तूनि आनीतवन्तः रमः तदेव कार्यम्। मम गृहे पुरातनानि कानिचित् भग्नानि नष्टानि च। मम in our house old कानिचित्
कानिचित्
भग्नानि
some. Kanichit means some.
भग्नानि नष्टानि च वस्तूनि आसन्. I'm trying to understand, but I'm not able to tell. I have in our house some old
Some.
something
Kanichit
disturb,
some.
Broken,
Some
damaged. No?
broken, yeah,
disturb things.
loss and something broken and lost. Vastuni,
Damaged.
No,
damage.
damage. Nashtani
Yeah.
is damage. Bhagnani, Nashtani.
Bhagnani means
Broken.
Broken. Something is broken, destroyed.
Nastani is not lost, bro.
Nashtani is damaged.
Damage.
damaged.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Because if it is lost, you cannot. There are some things that are lost.
Okay.
Doesn't seem right.
Something is lost will be different.
Okay.
No प्राप्यते.
Tani vikraya anyani. Something tani. So I want to sell something and vikraya. Anyani, anyani, and notanani vastuni. I want to bring some new things, something. Anitavantah Ramaha
Smah.
Tadeva Karyam. I was busy in that something, that job.
वित्तीय अन्यानि वस्तूनि आनीतवन्तः स्मः तदेव कार्यम्. So I was engaged in buying the
New ones, yeah.
selling. Yeah, tani vikriya. So after selling those, and anyani nutanani vastuni आनीतवन्तः. Right. So
What is
to
the
bring
last word or last sentence? Sma Tadeva Karyam.
tadeva karyam, that in that, and I was engaged in that activity
Yeah.
only.
Yes, I was busy in that.
Busy in that.
Smaha matlab?
Smaha means we were. We were means we were bringing the new things.
Okay.
Anitavantah smaha. We were. Like
I couldn't hear that, Chaitanya Prabhu. What was that?
we were.
What is it? I cannot understand that.
We were means see tani vikriya anyani nutanani vastuni anitavantah smaha. So after selling those, I brought we were bringing, or we were bringing new things.
Oh, we were, you're saying.
Acha, is Smah means
We
I
were,
think
you're saying. Okay.
past tense. I think thi it means. Smah means tha ya the. Is it?
It's uttama purusha bahuvachan.
We were. We
We
were.
were.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
We were busy in buying or bringing new things. अन्यानि नूतनानि वस्तूनि आनीतवन्तः स्मः. सत्यसङ्कल्प गीता
तद्दिने आपन गमनसमये मार्गे भवत्याः पुत्रः मिलितवान् आसीत्। सः उक्तवान् यत् मम जनन्याः गृहे बहूनि कार्याणि इति। तो तद्दिने आपन गमन समय मार्गे भवत्याः पुत्र मिलितवान् आसीत्। उस दिन दुकान जाने के मार्ग में आपका पुत्र मिला था। स उक्तवान् यत् उसने कहा कि मम जनन्या गृहे बहूनि कार्याणि इति। घर में मेरी माँ की बहुत सारी काम है।
सत्य संकल्प को आप ऑलरेडी जानते हैं, ये सब बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो, तुरंत
हाँ,
भी काम अच्छे से
बहुत
करो।
बढ़िया बोल रहे हैं, बहुत बढ़िया बोल रहे हैं।
बिल्कुल भी उनको वो नहीं हो रहा, समझने में दिक्कत नहीं हो रही। वेरी नाइस। राधा कृष्ण शीला।
स्वीकरेतु प्रसादं सुशीला अपि नास्ति नगरे इति मन्ये। स्वीकरेतु प्रसादं। So would you like to take prasadam something?
Would you like
Sushila,
to take Srikariti Prasadam? Please take the prasadam.
Accept.
yeah, take the
Please
prasadam.
accept.
Sushila api nasti. Sushila is not in the town. Iti manye. That is why something.
I
It
believe,
is believed.
I believe that Sushila is also not there in the city.
Yeah.
Like kartaham iti manyate, हाँ?
Iti manyate karta iti manyate. Next, our next teacher is the
Yeah. It's Pratham Purush Ekvachanam. Pratham Purush Ekvachanam.
okay.
So it's like Manyate, Manyete, Manyante,
Manye.
Manyase, Manyete, Manyatve, Manye, Manyavahe, Manyaman. Like that. So there are some other forms with Atmani Pada forms. So that will cover. But this is Uttama Purusha Ekavachan. Manye. Satya Sankalpa to Gita.
सा तु नगरे एव अस्ति। या मम गृहम् आगता आसीत्। वह भी नगर में है। यह मम
वो तो
गृहम्
नगर
आगता आसीत्। कल वह तो नगर में है। कल मेरे घर आई थी।
कल वो मेरे घर आई। राधा कृष्ण शीला।
एवम् आगच्छतु सा सम्यक् तर्जयिष्यामि ताम्। एवम् आगच्छतु. So someone is coming. So,
आगच्छतु सा एवं आगच्छतु सा. So let her come. Let
Yeah.
her come.
let her come. Okay.
Let her come. सम्यक् तर्जयिष्यामि ताम्.
So we all samyak.
तर्जयिष्यामि means
अच्छे से मारूंगी।
अच्छे से मारूंगी। अच्छे से मारूंगी।
गुस्सा करूंगा।
हाँ, क्योंकि बहुत दिनों से मतलब ये फ्रेंड्स है प्रभु, एक्चुअली ये सब लोग लड़कियां फ्रेंड्स है, तो ऐसे ही बोल रहे कि कहाँ चली गई, तो उसको बुलाओ, लेट हर कम, मैं उसको
Okay.
अनंतरम गीता.
अहम् आगच्छामि। अद्य मम गृहं प्रति मम माता आगच्छति। सा 6 दिनानि अत्रैव वासं करिष्यति। अतः सप्ताहं यावत् नागच्छामि। अहं गच्छामि। मैं आ रहा हूँ।
आती हूँ।
अद्य मम गृहं प्रति मम माता आगच्छति। आज मेरे घर मेरी माँ आ रही है। सा 6 दिनानि अत्रैव वासं करिष्यति। वह यहाँ 6 दिनों तक रहेगी। 6 दिन रहेगी। अतः सप्ताहं यावत्
यही रहेगी, यही रहेगी ना,
हाँ,
अत्र एव।
6 दिन तक।
गृह में ही मतलब पास इधर करेंगे
Shat Dinan means 6 days.
6 days.
Atra eva means here itself, right? यही रहेगी.
Here itself. Yes.
Here
Atraiva vas. Here itself she will stay. सत्यसंगम अतः
अतः सप्ताहं यावत् नागच्छामि। अतः मैं पूरे सप्ताह कहीं नहीं जाऊंगा।
जाऊंगी.
इसीलिए इसीलिए
नहीं, नागच्छामि। ये
अच्छा
समझ नहीं आया मुझे।
हाँ,
वही होगा क्या? नहीं
मतलब
होगा।
इसीलिए मैं एक सप्ताह तक नहीं आ पाऊंगी. एक सप्ताह तक मैं नहीं आ
नहीं
पाऊंगी.
आता।
तो गीता शीला को बोल रही, मतलब गीता शीला के घर पे आई है ना, ऐसी हो रहा है ना.
हम्म।
हाँ हाँ यस. तो जो गीता है वो शीला के घर पे आई है, ऐसा ही. हाँ. उसके बाद शीला बोल रही है. हाँ, शीला क्या बोल रही है आगे? राधा कृष्ण को
तिष्ठतु भो सर्वदा भवत्याः त्वरा त्वरा त्वषा
त्वरा
हाँ
त्वरा
त्वरा त्वरा त्वरा किंचित तिष्ठतु तिष्ठतु भो तो सिटिंग और स्टे देयर समथिंग देयर सर्वदा भवत्याः ऑलवेज बी देयर
पुस्तक मीन्स just hold on or just
yes
stay
so,
for
yeah
some time.
just
Please
hold on
stay. Please stay.
Prabhu tishtatu also sitting also Prabhu tishtati something that sitting also something comes right tishtat
No, Tishtatu, I explained this earlier also.
yeah you explained that day but I want to ask a question yeah
Tishtatu means to hold on or
yeah you said hold actually be on hold
Wait.
wait
wait,
yeah
or it could be sitting also, or it could be standing also, like that.
okay
If a person is sitting, then we can tell Tishtatu means let be seated. Or if a person is standing, then
okay
if we tell Tishtatu, then also he will tell, okay, let be, just be stood. Like
okay
so, Tishtatu can be in different, but
yeah
basically it means just hold on.
no so because from the beginning my understanding was wrong so I always used to think that tishtati means sitting position okay anyway
No,
yeah
no, because uttishta means get up, so you would have thought tishta means sit up.
yeah I don't know, maybe South India, we used always think like that anyway. So, tishtatu
Sitting
sarvada,
is
yeah,
sitting will be
Upavishyatu.
upavishyati, yeah. So,
sarva.
sarvada bhavatya, you hold on, always,
Always.
In a hurry.
always in hurry, okay. Twara means speed or something?
Rush.
Rush, yeah. Twara. Kinchit tishtati. So please hold some a little bit, please stand back.
Yeah.
Something. Yeah.
Please wait.
Please wait. Yeah.
Wait for some time. Kinchit.
गीता सत्यसंकल्प
नैव भवती अन्यथा मा चिन्तयतु आगच्छामि पुनः। नहीं, आप ऐसा मत सोचिए, मैं फिर आऊंगी।
हाँ, आप कुछ और मत सोचिए, मैं पक्का आऊंगी, मतलब आगच्छामि,
अन्यथा
मैं
अन्यथा
वापस
मत सोचिए. वही हिंदी में जैसे अन्यथा मत सोचिए. नहीं, अन्यथा मत सोचिए.
दूसरा कुछ मत सोचिए, मैं पुनः आऊंगी, मैं वापस आऊंगी. शीला
अस्तु
राधाकृष्ण
अस्तु अस्तु तर्हि पुनर्मिलाओ ओके विल मीट अगेन तर्हि मीन्स व्हाट प्रभु
then
देर ओके
no then
ओके देन ओके
फिर मिलेंगे.
ओके देन विल मीट अगेन ओके देन
फिर मिलेंगे.
फिर मिलेंगे ओके no I am trying to each word understand sentence
yeah,
who can put anything
if you don't understand even one word also please ask, because this word will be repeated again and again, so
yeah it will be nice is nice Prabhu thank you
मित्राणां गृहागमनम्। अस्तु, इदानीं कौ भक्तौ वदिष्यतः? रन्तिदेव प्रभु, रन्तिदेव प्रभु पृच्छन्ति, तथा च कान्त कृष्ण।
Yes.
कान्त कृष्ण प्रभु, भवान् पुत्र्याः वाक्यानि वदन्तु, तथा च अस्माकं रन्तिदेव प्रभु मातुः वाक्यानि वदिष्यति। अस्तु। कान्त
अम्ब
कृष्ण।
अम्ब मम मित्राणि आगतानि सन्ति. Mother, my friends are coming. परिचयं
No,
कारयामि. I will उनसे मैं मिलवाऊंगी. आगच्छतु.
this is
Amba means
happened in a house. Okay, the scene is in the house. Okay, so in the
Amba
house,
means
Amba means
Mother. Amba.
means mother only, no?
Amba.
And there will be one question you could ask, that the main word is Amba. The main word is Amba actually. But still, we will tell Amba. It should be told as what? It should be told as Ambe.
Ambe.
Yes?
Yes.
But it is Amba. So this is an exceptional case. Okay? The Amba is the correct form. Amba. Okay? And for Amba, it becomes Amba. But for Rama, it is Rame. Or for Hara, it is Hare. Okay, but only for Amba, it is Amba. This is a exceptional rule, exceptional case. मम मित्राणि आगतानि सन्ति, परिचयं कारयामि। आगच्छतु। Yes, Krishna Prabhu.
मम मित्राणि आगतानि सन्ति. My friends are coming. परिचयं.
No, not are coming. Have come.
Have come.
Have come. My friends have come. परिचयं कारयामि. परिचयं कारयामि. I will introduce them to you.
Yes.
आगच्छतु. आगच्छु. Come.
माता।
आगतवती सर्वेभ्यः नमस्कारः। आइए सभी को नमस्कार।
I have come. आगतवती, I have come. सर्वेभ्यः नमस्कार।
सर्वेभ्यः नमस्कार।
कृष्ण प्रभु पुत्री।
एषः रमेशः. ये रमेश है. एतस्य पिता वित्तकोशे कार्यं करोति. His father works in a bank.
माता। प्रभुजी, रंजिदेव को।
माता अत्र स्नेहा का। अत्र मीन प्रभुजी?
अत्र means here. Here.
Is Sneha here?
Yeah, is Sneha here?
Here
स्नेहा यहाँ पर है।
Here who is Sneha? Here who is Sneha?
Oh, okay.
Here who is Sneha?
Who
अत्र स्नेहा का। Yes.
सा न आगतवती. No, she has not come. तस्याः सम्बन्ध्याः.
Ambayaha.
तस्याः अम्बायाः स्वास्थ्यम्
Aswasthya.
अस्वास्थ्यम् अस्ति. Her mother is sick. एषा दिव्या अस्माकं गृहसमीपे एव वसति. एषा दिव्या. एषा. This Divya is what name or अस्माकं गृह.
Divya is a name of a girl.
अस्माकं गृहसमीपे एव वसति. She lives near my house. अस्माकं.
गृह समीपे
दिव्या मेरे घर के पास रहती है.
Yes. अनन्तरं रन्तिदेव माता
अस्ति माता एतस्य काम् अम्बाम् अहं जानामि सा प्रतिदिनं राघवेन्द्रमन्दिरम् आगच्छति एतस्य एतस्य मीन प्रभुजी
एतस्याः अम्बां मतलब इसकी
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 अहम
अम्बा
अम्बाम इज
I know
नेम
her mother.
इसकी अम्बा
ओ मैं जानती हूँ।
अहम जान अहम जाना
मैं
मतलब
हम जानामी मैं उसको जानती हूँ अम्बा को जानती हूँ
हाँ मैं जानती हूँ, मैं उसकी मदर को जानती हूँ।
मैं उसकी मदर को जानती हूँ अम्बा की मदर को राइट
अम्बा की
अम्बा
मदर
की-
नहीं, अम्बा मतलब
दिव्या
मदर।
की मदर।
दिव्या
दिव्या
की
की मदर दिव्या की मदर को जानती हूँ सा प्रतिदिन राघवेंद्र मंदिरम आगस्ती वो रोज मंदिर राघवेंद्र मंदिर में आती हैं
कृष्ण की पुत्री
एषः आनन्दः, that is happiness, that is good news.
ए प्रभु
सर्वान्
No.
सदा नन्दयति, सर्वान् सदा आनन्दयति. Let everyone be always happy. कक्ष्यायाम् अपि सर्वत्र प्रथमं स्थानं प्राप्नोति. In class she is always
एषः
first.
एषः आनन्दः means the person the name of person is Ananda. The name of the person is Ananda, and this person whose name is Ananda,
Oh,
he does what? He sarvan sada anandayati. He makes everyone happy. Like that.
एषा आनंदः, दिस इज आनंद.
हाँ,
सर्वान सदा आनंद, ये सबको हमेशा खुश करता है. कक्षायाम अपि सर्वत्र प्रथम स्थानं प्राप्नोति. In the class she always stands first place.
he always comes. He always
He.
comes first. Anandaha पुल्लिंग. अनन्तरं माता रन्तिदेव
तम किरणम जानमी किरण कथम मोनेन स्थितवान भवान तम किरण जाना मैं किरण को जानती हूँ
हाँ मैं को जानती हूँ
कथम मोनेन स्थितवान भवान कथम प्रभु नहीं पता
कैसे कथम मतलब कैसे
कैसे कैसे मोनेन
मौनेन मौनम पता
मौनेन
नहीं हाँ मौन मतलब क्या मौन
मौन चुप रहना मौन
चुप रहे मौन स्थितवान
स्थितवान वो नहीं पता
हाँ
कुछ
स्थितवान मतलब बैठे हो मतलब
बैठे
बैठे
चुप बैठे हैं
चुप बैठे
चुप बैठना चुप
कैसे
बैठे
तुम चुप बैठे हो कथम मौनेन स्थितवान भवान तुम चुप कैसे बैठे हो
तो तुम चुप कैसे बैठी हो ओके
मुझे तम मीन्स
हाँ
तम तम
तम तम
Yes.
किरण हम जान सह तौते तम तौतान सह तौते तम तौतान तम मतलब द्वितीय विभक्ति एकवचन उसको वो किरण को मैं जानती हूँ वैसे प्रोनाउन है प्रोनाउन तम इज सर्वनाम शब्द अनन्तरं राधा तो अस्ति अस्माकं कान्कृष्ण पुत्री
एषा मंगला, एषा राधा, एषा रोहिणी, एषा कविता, सा ज्योतिः. दिस इज मंगला, दिस इज राधा, दिस इज रोहिणी, दिस इज कविता, and that is Jyoti.
किरणः मम किञ्चित् शिरोवेदना. किरणः किम् उक्तवान्? What did Kiran say? I am having little bit शिरोवेदना. इत्युक्ते
Headache.
headache.
I am having
Okay.
some headache.
अनन्तरं रन्तिदेव माता
सा का भो अन्ते उपविष्टवान् सा का भो इष्टवान्
सः कः भोः सः कः भोः सः 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 जानते हैं ना प्रभु सः इत्युक्ते
सा
वो कौन
सः
है?
इत्युक्ते
उस नहीं पता प्रभु
सः इत्युक्ते डैड डैड
That is
सः
who?
सः कः who is that
Oh, who is that? Ante upvishtva.
सः कः oh you
Ask.
oh who is that then अन्ते उपविष्टवान् अन्ते उपविष्टवान्
उपविष्टवान मतलब प्रभु जी
उपविष्टवान् मतलब बैठा है
बैठना
बैठा।
ओके
Last में.
लास्ट में कौन बैठा है वो
ओ लास्ट में वो कौन बैठा
अंत मतलब लास्ट है ना
अंत लास्ट में
हाँ।
अंत
तो
उपविष्टवान।
अरे वो सह कह हु इज दैट जो लास्ट में बैठा है वैसे
अरे वो
अनंतरम
कौन है लास्ट में कौन बैठा
हाँ रामकृष्ण को पुत्री
तस्य परिचयम वदामि कुतः त्वरा तस्य उसका मैं परिचय बोलती हूँ
हाँ
कुतः
त्वरा
त्वरा दिस त्वरा आई फॉरगॉट
जल्दी क्या है जल्दी क्या है
जल्दी
जल्दी
क्या है
क्या है?
हाँ कुतः त्वरा वेर इज द हरी
हम्म,
सः एव अस्माकं मुख्य शिक्षकस्य पुत्रः गोपालः वह हमारे मुख्य शिक्षक का पुत्र गोपाल है अस्माकं गण प्रमुखः हमारा गण प्रमुख है गण
हमारा
प्रमुख
ग्रुप का लीडर है
ग्रुप का लीडर
है हाँ ही इज अवर ग्रुप लीडर
हाँ
तस्य गुण कीर्तनं कर्तुम् एकं दिनं न पर्याप्तम one day is not enough to describe his qualities
हम्म, माता रंती देखता हूँ माता
अलम अति विस्तरेण
हाँ अलम अलम मीन्स अलम
अलम
अलम बस अलम मतलब बस
बस ओके अस्ति विस्तरेण
अति विस्तार है बस बहुत हो गया बहुत ज्यादा
बस
बहुत विस्तार कर रहे हो ना बस बहुत हो गया बहुत विस्तार कर रहे हो
और विस्तार करने की जरूरत नहीं है बहुत हो गया
अति विस्तार बस ऐसा मतलब बस करो
अलम
Oh, this word comes na alam niranjanam.
हाँ मुकुन्दमाला स्तोत्रं मध्येपि अस्ति अलम 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 एकां प्राणिनां अलम 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 अस्तु तदनन्तरं केशव अस्ति वा केशवः अस्ति वा कुत्र अस्ति अस्ति केशव भवान् वदतु तथा च कः वदति आम् सत्यसङ्कल्पः भवान् वदतु केशव तथा च सत्यसङ्कल्पः केशव वदिष्यति पुत्री
अम्ब भवती केवलं वचनेन एव मम मित्राणि प्रेषयति उत किमपि खादितुं ददाति equal to Why मित्राणि प्रेषयति?
भवति
I
केवलं
think I don't
वचनेन
know
एव
this.
हा,
I think I don't know this one.
भवति केवलं वचनेन एव भवति केवलं
Hmm.
वचनेन एव हाँ व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ भवति केशव भवति का
You
क्या मतलब यू केवलं वचनेन एव केवलं वचनेन एव
only gave a promise.
No, no.
only by words only by speaking
Only by
केवलं
words.
वचनेन एव हाँ सो केवलं वचनेन एव मम मित्राणि प्रेषयति मम मित्राणि प्रेषयति इसका क्या मतलब होगा मम मित्राणि प्रेषयति
Preshyati means what, Hari?
सेंड प्रेषयति मतलब सेंड
Preshyati means
सेंड
Send my friend.
send
भेजना
means.
भेजना
Oh,
सेंड
okay.
SEND SEND
Okay. Mama ev
हाँ
mitraणि preshyati.
केशव मम मित्राणि प्रेषयति
Sent my friend.
My friends have sent.
भवती केवलं वचनेन एव मम मित्राणि प्रेषयति
बस बात करके भेज दोगी कि कुछ खिलाओगी भी कि नहीं?
आप बस बोल के ही बस उनको बात करके ही आप मेरे मित्र को भेज देंगे ऐसे उत किमपि खादितुं ददाति उत किमपि खादितुं ददाति या तो कुछ खिलाएंगे आप या तो खाने के लिए कुछ देंगे वैसे ठीक है केशव समझ में आया
Okay.
उत किमपि
हाँ, आ गया.
खादितुं ददाति उसके बाद second, माता
माता अस्तु भवती अस्माकं
सत्य संकल्प
अस्तु भवती अस्माकं गृहं दर्शयतु तावत् खाद्यं करिष्यामि। अच्छा
तावत् खाद्यं सज्जीकरिष्यामि
भवती घर तब तक मैं खाना तैयार
हाँ, अस्तु
करूंगी
भवती
करिष्यामि
अस्माकं
तब तक
गृहं
मैं
दर्शयतु
भोजन तैयार
तो हाँ ठीक है आप सबको मेरा घर दिखाइए हमारा घर दिखाइए तावता अहं खाद्यं सज्जीकरिष्यामि इत्युक्ते प्रिपरेशन ठीक है प्रिपरेशन सज्जीकरिष्यामि इत्युक्ते प्रिपरेशन
Bro, when mother is saying bhavati asmakam graham darshayatu, is he genuinely saying up or is he being sarcastic by using the word bhavati for her daughter?
भवती for
See, up, just like, you in a sarcastic way, you tell your daughter, no?
हाँ आप
Bhavati, because otherwise for daughter, will you use bhavati generally? There must be some other word, no? Simple word.
oh you are telling for daughter we will tell that तुम सबको घर दिखाओ
So why will she use the word bhavati?
भवती bro sometimes
Yes.
I don't know actually in houses there are some houses they will also tell to their even children they will tell with very good words so they will not tell tu kar aisa ya tu aisa kar
No,
so they will tell
I am from Mumbai and Delhi. We're not used to good etiquette. So I think it could also be because but in Lucknow and all they use aap. They use aap a lot.
yeah in Agraharans it could be so bro in Tamil
Tamil we are respectful. Malayalam also are respectful, but not.
yes.
You're right.
So that was yes putri
मित्राणि एषा मम माता अन्नपूर्णा साक्षात् अन्नपूर्णेश्वरी आगच्छन्तु गृहं सर्वं दर्शयामि
सो मित्राणि एषा मम माता अन्नपूर्णा। तो सबसे पहले पुत्री ने क्या किया, सबको मित्रों को बोला एषा मम माता अन्नपूर्णा, मतलब मेरी माता का क्या नाम है, अन्नपूर्णा। और वो क्या है, साक्षात अन्नपूर्णेश्वरी, है ना, साक्षात अन्नपूर्णेश्वरी। मतलब अन्नपूर्णेश्वरी किसका नाम है, कौन से भगवती का नाम है अन्नपूर्णेश्वरी? I forgot actually. Who is that? In Banaras, I saw actually. In Varanasi, when I went, that time there was a temple of Annapurneshwari.
Yeah.
I think it's Lakshmi Devi only, or someone else.
I think it is Durga.
Durga.
Annapurna. Annapurna is Durga.
Acha, Durga. So, Sakshat Annapurneshwari. Agachantu. Griham Sarvam Darshaya. So, Putri is telling to other friends that please come, I will show you the whole house. I will show you the house. Griham Sarvam Darshaya. अस्तु, अनन्तरं ऋषिकुमार, एषः
ये ओके एषः मम अध्ययनप्रकोष्ठः, दिस् इस् मै स्टडी रूम्। एषा पाकशाला, दिस् इस् द किचन्। दूरतः एवं पश्यन्तु, यतः अन्तःप्रवेश, यू कैन सी फ्रॉम आउटसाइड और यू कैन कम इनसाइड। अनुमतिं विना नास्ति, देयर इज नो नीड फॉर एनी परमिशन, यू कैन कम इन। एतत् प्रार्थना मंदिरम, दिस इज माय प्रेयर रूम, दिस इज द प्रेयर रूम। वयं सर्वे प्रातः सायं च मिलित्वा प्रार्थनां कुर्मः। So all of us in the morning and evening get together and pray here. एषः विशालः सभामण्डपः, this is the big hall. अत्रैव विशेषदिनेषु कार्यक्रमः भवति, this is where we have programs on special days. एवम् अस्माकं लघुगृहं, this is our bathroom. सुव्यवस्थितगृहं, this is all very well organized, this house is well organized. Agachantu upaharam svikurma, please accept come in, please accept our hospitality or meals.
Yes. It's completed room. Actually, my net was unstable.
Yeah, svikurma is the last line.
Agachantu upaharam svikurma. अस्तु, इदानीं सार्धसप्तवादनं जातं, वयम् अनन्तरं पठिष्यामः। एतत् बहु सम्यक् भवति न? एतत् बहु सम्यक् भवति खलु?
बहुत बढ़िया।
यतः एतेन सम्भाषणमपि शनैः भूयते। ओके, सो धीरे धीरे जो भी वो संभाषण में भी आ जाएगी, इससे बहुत प्रैक्टिस।
एक क्वेश्चन था,
हाँ बोलिए।
मुझे सो एंड सी, तो उसे मैं अस्माकं गृहं दर्शयति ऐसा था ना? अस्माकं गृहं दर्शयति,
हाँ,
दर्शयतु। तो मुझे मतलब तुम घर को दिखाओ और देखो, ये दोनों तो लोट लकार में है, बट सी और उसे कैसे बोलेंगे कि तुम देखो और दिखाओ, तो कैसे बोलेंगे?
नहीं, देखो मतलब पश्यतु, दिखाओ मतलब दर्शयतु।
ओके।
मैंने एक बार वो क्लास में निजंत मैंने सिखाया था, निजंत याद होगा। तो करोति और कारयति, मतलब करो और करवाओ, इसको निजंत बोलते हैं संस्कृत में। और पश्यतु मतलब देखो, और दिखाओ मतलब दर्शयतु, मतलब दर्शयतु। ठीक है, जैसे निद्राति और निद्रापयति। निद्राति मतलब सोना, और निद्रापयति मतलब सुलाना।
ओके, बोलिए।
अस्तु, किमपि इतोपि प्रश्नाः सन्ति चेत् कृपया पृच्छन्तु।
Prabhu, you said thumb. What is the meaning? You said that time your voice was not clear.
Regarding to thumb.
Thumb, yeah.
Thumb मतलब उसको.
Usko. Because in Bhagavad Gita it comes tam tamme veiti kaunteya sada tadva. What
Yes.
is that? That's trying to
Thumb तथा कृपयाविष्टम
Ashurupurna Kulekshanam.
Purnakulakshanam. So thumb तथा. Thumb means उसको.
Tam tada, okay.
हाँ.
Ashtupurna, please. Okay. But tam means Prabhupada written similar, he has written. So, one of the slokas, so I was trying to understand.
Thumb किमस्ति ब्रो? Thumb.
He has mentioned similar actually. So, Prabhupada.
Yeah. The reason is because thumb is used twice. That's why.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Like yatra tatra tatra.
Okay, yeah.
So yam tam. Like
Okay.
yam tam.
Yeah.
So when the word tam is used twice,
Hmm.
then the meaning gets a bit changed. Like
Okay.
when you are using for one time, only tam means usko,
Okay.
but tam means similarly. It could
Okay. Okay.
usko and second.
Okay.
अस्तु. तो हार्ड कॉपी सबके पास है? ये वाला जो मैंने आज दिखाया संभाषण नहीं होगा ना सबके पास?
नो भाई.
संभाषण
नहीं है प्रभु.
Kumar has. But Radha Krishna Prabhu, you might be having the hard copy of these books. You don't have now.
I have
No.
got it printed.
I don't have, Prabhu.
अच्छा.
If you also give books also, it will be wonderful. You can buy and whatever, you can keep some. Yeah.
Yeah, actually, I have sent one link.
Okay.
Actually, Devaki Mataji, Devaki Mataji, she also joins these classes. So
Okay.
she procured these books somewhere from Hyderabad Sanskrit Bharati
Mm-hmm.
Center. So she lives in Hyderabad, she lives in Bangalore, I have to ask.
Okay.
But she lives and she has procured them.
Mm-hmm.
So I would suggest if you could ask her from
Yeah.
where they procured, then
Yes, Prabhu, sure. Because books are better because printing and making spiral bound, so
yeah,
that
it's
much
very
quality. Yeah.
copy also.
Yes, Prabhu, sure.
अवश्य. अस्तु तदा वयम् अत्रैव समापयिष्यामः. So tomorrow is Sunday. Would you like to have any practice session? Tomorrow is Sunday, or we will have some break. Whatever you suggest. Or otherwise, we will have from Monday onwards our official classes.
I'd really love to join, but this timing will be difficult because tomorrow in Delhi we are separately having a function for Guru Maharaj because not everybody could come. The 6:30 to 7:30 will be difficult, but I want to somehow find time, but then that may not be practical for others.
Yeah. Others, Prabhu? Others would be little difficult, no? Sunday. Radha Krishna, Prabhu.
No problem, I can join, but the majority, whatever they say, is that I'm working. I can adjust. I don't have any specific things.
अस्तु अन्यथा वयं श्वः भवन्तः एव स्वाभ्यासं कुर्वन्तु. Okay, so you only can yourself practice, and from day after tomorrow onwards, we will be resuming our official sessions. Okay. अस्तु धन्यवादः. हरे कृष्ण. वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. श्रील प्रभु
चैतन्य प्रभु जयति जयति जयति.
Hmm.